Today, I'll show you the beautiful Lake Accotink Trail in Springfield, Northern Virginia. It is nearly a 4-mile long loop trail popular among bikers and hikers. You can enter the loop from several points, but the easiest way is to drive directly to the lake as there are plenty of parking spaces and these are free. Let me talk a little bit about the Lake Accotink, a reservoir formed by the damming of the Accotink Creek first. It has canoes and paddle boats for rent during summer. One could also bring their own boat by paying a nominal fee. An antique carousel runs during the summer, and close to it are picnic areas with grills. A wide range of summer camps are also in plenty during the summer. The lake also hosts a great variety of birds such as ducks, Canada geese, seagulls, and others. Animals such as red foxes, deer, beaver, snakes, and others are found in the area. There are chances that you may come across copperhead, the only venomous snake in the area. Fortunately, these are mildly venomous and cause no harm to anyone unless they are stepped upon or harassed. Let us now head to the trail. You can either begin from the west side near the railway track or cross the small bridge on the eastern side. Today, I will be touring you from the eastern side. The trail is mostly gravel and partly cemented. You can walk, bike, or run. There are only 2 steep sections. You will see a wide variety of trees, plants, and small streams on your way. These streams eventually dump into the lake. The Accotink Creek flows throughout the year. When the rain falls, the root and soft soil tap water and releases slowly into the streams year-round. Hence, forests play a vital role in preventing flood and soil erosion. You will see a lot of fallen trees, and these also play an essential role in nourishing and rejuvenating the forests with fertile soils and providing habitat for smaller animals and insects. After about 1 3/4 of a mile, you will see a crossroads. Take the left one that will carry you through the neighborhood via a small bridge. Walk straight to the sidewalk ahead, which will lead you by King's Elementary School and eventually back to the trail. You will see the remaining trail adjacent to the kids' playground. Follow the trail and finally you will be back to the lake. Please like and share this informative video. Until then, have a great day.